Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a riviera espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it just needed a tune-up. So we end up replacing the side glass, all the gaskets on the machine, and pretty much give it a good clean. So starting with the steamer, as you can see, it's perfectly fine, immediate espresso, and no leaks at all. There you go. And now for the shot of espresso, hopefully I got the grind set up correctly. It's a little bit more tricky with these spring lever machines. And unfortunately, as you can see, I use a way fine grind, so it's not gonna produce good crema. Yeah, the grinding was way too fine for this machine. So let's just clean up a little bit. And I use way too much coffee as well. But as you can see, working perfectly fine. Okay, thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.